Idly-ho, Sandwicherinos, it's Sandwich Dad here. Hello. Now, some of you may know this sandwich I invented called the French Duke. Well, I'm going to make a version called the French Dutchess. We're going to put some butter in a pan, mushrooms, salt, and thyme, and let those get nice and brown. Next, a little bit of pancetta we're going to crisp up in the same pan, and then we're going to fry an egg. For our bread, we're going to use this bakery sourdough. Toast that up. Now that the egg is cooked, we're going to use the Sandwich Dad egg hack. Get that yolk spread on that bottom piece of toast so it doesn't get caught in our beard or mustache. A little bit of alligator pear on the top piece with some salt, pepper, and the juice from a plastic lime. Our fried mushrooms are going on top of that yolk, followed by some soft Brie cheese. The rest of our sunny side up egg goes on top, followed by the crispy pancetta. And then we put the toque on. Have a look. Cut diagonally and reveal. Come on. That's a nice looking sandwich. Personally, I think even Chris Gaines would approve. Okay, taste test. Easy 5 out of 5 easy chairs. The French Dutchess. Sandwich Dad, good day.